Hi there YouTube, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to part 5 of supercharging my MX5 Miata. In the last video I mocked up the kit, put it onto the engine and just sort of loosely bolted everything up so I could work out what I wanted to do. I had to do a little bit of cutting and a little bit of bish bash bosh around the cowling here and just along here. Just to get it across, to get the cross pipe happy. So the idea is now is to sort of prepare everything to go on permanently. I have fully bolted up the pulley bracket now, and that's just rock solid. And of course the engine bracket is now solid as too, so nothing's going to move there, and that's all ready to receive the supercharger. There's a few things that I still have to do before I can put the kit back on again. Firstly, I have to make up a gasket that's going to go onto the inlet manifold pipe here. I've also got to make up a gasket for the throttle body, so that can fit onto there, kind of thing. I also want to fit this onto the supercharger. I thought I might be able to put it on afterwards, but it's going to be a lot easier to put it on the bench because this gasket's going to go on, and so I'm going to get all that ready here before it goes on. I'll probably do the same with the throttle body and put that all on so I can put it on as a complete unit. It'll probably weigh quite a bit, but I think it's going to be the easiest way to do it because then I can prepare everything properly. This needs some gasket around here, which is the bit that goes onto the supercharger itself. So I'll be using a bit of the old red gasket again. I think that's pretty much it, and then it'll be ready to actually go on. So I'm going to make a start, and I'll just film it all so you guys can see what happens, and let's take it from there. Okay, with the throttle body here, I've actually got the original one here, so I can pretty much just make a template of this. I thought before I put it all together, and this will probably be the last opportunity I'll get to sort of play around with it and give it a bit of a polish up, see what happens. Looks alright. Don't know if I can do anything with this bit. It's a kind of a different kind of casting. It looks like it'll scratch more than polish. Maybe I paint it black one day or something or other, might look quite cool. Looks a bit better now. Sweet. Okay, well, time to fit this onto there. So, best thing to do, peel all this off, I guess. As you can see, she's in pretty good condition. There's a couple of little scratches here and there, but it's actually really good considering it's from a car from 2006. Now luckily, when the Supercharger arrived from the wreckers, they threw in the gaskets, so I'm rapt about that. Perfect. Alright, it's ready to go. I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite on all of these screws as they go in. Pop that on there. Okay. Okay, there you go. There she is in all her glory. Looks fantastic. It bolted together really well. Everything's looking tight and as it should. It's nicely sealed up there now. So hopefully we shouldn't have any leaks or anything like that. But it looks really good. I put this bracket onto the back as well. This is what the new accelerator cable is going to hook up to, so we've got some zoom and yeah, it looks pretty good. There's a bit of a clean up on that, so I can't wait to get it in the car. Well, there you go, folks. It's actually in, bolted in proper now, and man, it's just worked out fantastic. I can't believe how well it's come together. There's a couple of challenges, but look at that. That's fantastic. Nothing is encroaching on anything. Everything's got its own space. It looks amazing. And I've got the throttle body on now, which is pretty cool. Obviously, the air filter is going to be here somewhere, and that bracket there, which is going to go across, probably across the back of the motor here and around to over to this side, and then we'll have some throttle. But yeah, man, I mean, that's fantastic. So once again, I'm going to call that a night, but we've actually got a complete kit in my MX5. Wow. So next step, I suppose, will be to hook up the accelerator cable and then, well, hey, tune the mega squirt and get something happening. So until the next video, once again, thanks for watching, and peace.